And this side.
Is it too much pressure? Am I giving too much pressure?
Pressure over there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Ma'am, your hands look so soft. Christine is doing a great hand massage. Christine's doing a great hand massage.
Yes, she is. I'm gonna go to sleep. You know that?
What, Christine? You make her go to sleep? Sleep.
No, sleep.
It looks so nice.
Just
though.
giving her hands some love, you know. And her hands were cold, so I just wanted to give her some love from being outside.
And what did you say about the hands? You said we have to do what with the hands?
We gotta love our hands.
How
Our
come?
hands do a lot, you know.
Okay.
We thank these hands, right? Because they've come through a lot,
Yeah.
right? This is the queen right
I
here.
don't even cover them up with rubber gloves. I just rub the floor and rub.
See?
What?
I don't put nothing on. I just be working and scrubbing.
Can I do a close up of your hands? Your hands look radically different.
Okay, honey.
Do you see your hands? Do you see it yourself?
Look how that's my dirt. They're coming off right. Dirty. Too.
No. That's from the Shea. That's not dirt.
But do you see your hands though?
Yeah, I feel it too.
Nice.
It feels wonderful.
It looks it too. Wow. Christine, you did a good job. What did you guys use on her?
Wow.
We used some of the beautiful peppermint mask. You know, just wanted to really dig in, right? Because sometimes in the winter we don't take care of our hands.
That's
we
the
need
truth.
to take a moment to just give love to our hands.
Well, you did a fabulous job. Look at that. Wow.
Just patting them. I don't want to rough dry. I said just pat like a nice pat dry, right?
And then you guys gonna follow it up with the
Hurting you a
moisturizer?
bit, right?
No. When you it's good. It feels good.
You guys gonna follow it up with the moisturizer?
Yes, absolutely. Just wanted to do a nice cleanse
Beautiful,
first.
wow.
You see?
Wow.
And now we're gonna move to the moisturizer.
Ma'am,
Watch this work. Watch it work.
okay, watch
Just
the
a little
magic.
bit. Just a little bit. Just a drop. I'm just gonna put just a drop, and look what's gonna happen.
Gosh. Your hands look so different. Wow.
You see that? I didn't even put a lot. That was just a drop
Well, I see.
for the moisturizer. And as I said, the nice thing is that it works well for the nails too.
Yeah, well, really.
And it makes the nails glow. Yeah.
You see how the nails
Yeah.
shining up a little bit?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, interesting you noticed that.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
And then last time I had that, I don't know when
Ma'am, you said you feel the difference and you see the difference?
Yes.
That's all right. Ma'am, I'm happy for you. It looks wonderful. And Christine did a super dope job. Oh my goodness.
I thought my hand was